Hello, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Holden Astra, stock number 6204. This ran from the 9th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It has a B14 XT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a B14 XT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear door no dents, right front headlight, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,